I'm not sure what this weird-looking fish is, but this is why I won't swim in canals.
This is a remora, okay? And this thing right on top of his face, that's actually a dorsal fin. He uses it to suck on fish. My buddy Austin here.
Right
Austin.
Right
no, this side.
Look at that, chat.
Look at that, guys. Look at that. He's just chilling on your cheek.
How creepy is that?
What?
Right there, yeah. Watch out for it. I didn't know they were live. I was showing Austin.
The shit you find in the deep sea. Look at this fish swim. This is longer than I thought. They saw me. Run!
People do not really care much if a commonly found fish has washed up on the beach, but they are definitely intrigued if it is a huge animal they haven't really seen before. A giant mysterious creature got the better of people when the carcass washed up on a beach in Indonesia, and they couldn't figure out what it exactly was to their utter astonishment. The 15-meter-long creature, weighing approximately 35 tons floating in the water, also ended up making it red and also a public spectacle. Marine scientists who flocked the place suspected it could be a giant squid or a sperm whale, but several reports say otherwise. However, a Lee Kongqian Natural History Museum officer said that the carcass is mostly that of a baleen whale, but the reports are...
Hey everyone, check this out. Do you guys know what this is? There are some strange stuff happening in this world today, but this is one of the strangest thing I have ever seen. If you know what this is, comment, let me know. Just check it out, guys. I'm trying to let you guys see it all the way around. Check it out. Comment. Let me know if you know what this is. This is some new creature in the sea, so let me know if you know what this is. Crazy. Wow.
No, hell no, no, no. ho, here I come, bitch. Ah, yeah, take a good look. Look at that. You see that? That's 100% me there, all bird. Yeah, go ahead, take a picture if you want. I don't give a shit. Ah. You guys made a big mistake letting me out of there. You see that shit? Unbelievable. God, I'm awesome.
Looks scary, right? Yo. It's not.
It's in his
You
mouth.
flip out if I stick my hand in there, right?
Yes, first thing I do is I say, would you look at this? You know what I mean?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, what?
Holy Jesus. What is that? What the fuck is that? What is that, Private Pilot? Creatures jostle for space and food.
Okay, what is this, guys?
動かなくなったじゃん。動かなくなっちゃいましたね。死んじゃったのかな。動いた。動いた。おお。これ、なんか動いてますよ。動いてる。おお。